insights into the organization and structures of language. This process not only helps us categorize words more effectively, but also deepens our understanding of how words are related to interconnected within a language system. So, for us to understand more, we are doing this the semantic features analysis. So, current semantic features analysis can use positive and negative signs to indicate the presence or absence of a specific characteristic. Let's continue the example. So, sige word lang ta. So, diba, nakasabot man mo, no? Saan na ito ang semantic feature? So, ang semantic feature, so, balito na. Ang semantic feature is it is using when we are going to categorize or classify words na sila shared common elements. So, for example, tagan ta mag-example. Daan. Magamit ta og positive sign o negative sign. Gamiton na to ang positive sign kung kana siya kabutang is naa siya na kung wala negative. For example, dari category. Chair. So, atong category ito, ang chair ba is pedestal. So, ang chair is dili siya pedestal. So, ang chair is used ba siya for one person? Yes or no? Yes, ma'am. Yes. So, who want to answer here in board? So, Mirados, you are going to answer armchair. So, put check or I put positive sign or negative sign.
Sorry, ma'am. First, positive sign.
Yes, exactly. So, ang armchair is siya for sitting. Now, di ba, based on kanang i-record, di ba, armchair na siya. So, na siya ikon. Dapat siya itiin. Pero dili siya pedestal. Ngayon, ang armchair is po siya for one person. So, check. Very good, Mira.
Yes.
So, who want to answer more?
Tia, ma'am.
Another one.
Tia.
Teya. So, stool, gamit siya sa
Panglingkod, ma'am.
palikod. Pero, ang stool, Teya, ang stool, wala siya likod. Ang stool, kato bitaw,
Pero ito,
kato, buto siya stool, di ba? Wala siya ba? Wala siya yung ganang sandiganan. So, dayon na siya. Obviously, na siya legs. Then, dili siya pedestal. Dahil use na siya for one person. Ang stool. So, salon. Sofa. Sige.
sofa.
Yes, sofa.
Sofa.
Sige, let's continue. So, ang sofa, salamat siya Grace sa answer. So, ang sofa is for sitting. Dayon, nasa likod. Dapat siya legs. Dayon, dili siya pedestal. Ang sofa, may likuran siya sa try, Pacquiao.
Disqualified.
So, thank you, Pacquiao. So, ang main bag is, gamitin din siya sa likod. Wala siya likod. Ngayon, wala siya legs. Ngayon, hindi siya pedestal. Or reversal na siya. So, based on our semantic features analysis, so, naroon ba may nasabdan or yes, So, do you have any questions or classifications of our topic for today? So, good. So, now that you know how to categorize and analyze things based on their shared and common characteristics, so let us proceed to our next activity. So to deepen your understanding of the topic for today, we are going to make a semantic features analysis through different categories. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So since we have all the sige po, sunod. Ay, ako lang. So before we start our activity, so mag-create sa group. So it will be a group free. So you will be count 1 to 3, 1 to 3. So start 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
2, 3, 1. So the group 1 will be din here on the side. So group 1.
Dahil mo, di ba?
Dan ang group 2 din, ang group 3 dito sa likod.
Classmate ni Nani.
So, nag-start na. So, this is now your task. So direction. I will be the one to read the direction. So, direction. Put a positive or negative sign if these categories share the same characteristics. So, then mag-select mo o member sa iyong grupo represent your work here in front. So, natay criteria sa atong score. Sa accuracy, so accurate ka, for example, kani ba, for example, kani, na ako na, accurate ba siya, positive ba yung ilang, or negative, so ang points niya is 15 points. Then, kani, presentation, di ba, magpili ka mo, members sa inyong grupo to present your front. So, 20 points siya. Then, ang cooperation is 15 points. Then, the total of 50 points. So ang sa group 1, ang categories ninyo is animals. Ngayon, ang group 2 kay insects. Then, ang group 3 kay fruits. So I'll give you 10 minutes to answer after your fan, your task.
Sige.
Mama, fruit. Saan na siya tira? Dogs. So, ang dogs, mukamang ba ang dog? Dogs, sticks. Ano ito? Mamaan. Nalura sa lamang bata siya na para ba ang sakwan? Sticks.
Mana ma'am?
Sige, I'll give you 10 minutes. So,
Tingnan, dua lang sila dito. Busy ba si Juan sa mga-